because my dad's working from home today until 1 p.m. Especially my mom has her virtual meeting interview at her job. But don't worry, I am not grounded or in trouble or anything like that. But I just don't want to be that loud or noisy due to that they have a meeting going on in like their virtual conversations. So I need to actually be very quiet and be that noisy. Other than that, I am doing good. But I was thinking about posting more videos like almost every day so I can boost up my audience, because the more audience and the more videos I posted on social media, the more audience I built, and the more audience I will get, and the more support I will get. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to post any other videos, but besides vlogs and music, because I have running out of ideas of what I want to post for my next video on YouTube and social media. I've been doing my best to make videos on social media, especially my YouTube channel, but I couldn't find like any ideas. All my For You pages are like stressing me out that like what do I want to post, but I run out of ideas. So I want you guys to help me figure out what kind of ideas I want to post for next YouTube videos, as long as it follows community guidelines. Updates and regardless of my Dear Friendship music video. So I'm trying to finish the clips, but unfortunately I decided not to upload the Dear Friendship music video due to that I was lazy. I'm so busy with my schoolwork, and because I've been working so hard to make the clips, but it doesn't fit right like what clips I was recording or someone else have recorded for me. And because I had to try my best to ask someone to fill for me, I was thinking about for my next song release I will just upload a song and then upload a music video at the same time. But it's like it's too late for me to do that because I now had to move on to my next song release. So I made the decision as of last week, so I decided not to upload the Dear Friendship music video because I'm not sure like next year in 2026 when I drop an album, or 2027, I'm not sure, but my prediction is if I drop an album, I'm not sure whether my song Dear Friendship from September 19th of last year, no, this year, whether it's gonna be my debut studio album or my next EP, but I'm not too sure yet because I'm working so hard and I'm still cooking up my music, meaning that I'm still making music. So just let me know in the comments below if you want another song release, and then I promise you all I will make a music video because I failed to make a music video since 2023 and 2024. Other than that, I'm gonna keep trying my best to make more videos on social media, not only on my YouTube but on my Instagram and TikTok. I'll keep making more content, so I'm gonna be very careful when I'm posting on social media because the team might come after me thinking that I violated the rules of what I'm posting, when I'm posting for this and when I'm posting for that. I'm gonna be very, very, very extremely careful because if I'm not sure whether the post I'm gonna upload violates the guidelines, I gotta look at the policies of what is and isn't allowed on the platform. That way I can make sure my account is safe and be prevented from getting disabled or especially demonetized. Today's plan is that we're gonna go do some shopping at the mall because I want to buy some clothes for not only for going out. Oh my god. So today's plan is today I'm gonna go do shopping at the mall to buy some clothes for not only for home but for going out as well. And then after that we're gonna go to a party. There's a party going on in New Jersey tonight and I'm excited to go to. I cannot wait to party and just stay out all night. I was thinking today of doing like a brown and green makeup look for fall, which is absolutely a good colors. Two good colors. It's actually the red and orange and yellow color. Right now I'm gonna do like a brown and green look to match the outfit I'm wearing. I think I put too much of the brown one because I wanted to add the green, so I'll fix the brown eyeshadow and I'll be right back. Alright, I just fixed my brown eyeshadow, especially I put the eyeshadow on a long lash line. Now into the green color, but I definitely want to put a little bit of green because I don't want to mess up the brown one because I want everyone to show that I have like a brown eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this brush and put a little bit of the green color. Alright, this is the finished brown and green eyeshadow look. Now I'm just gonna do the eyeliner. Oh my god, it happens sometimes, so don't worry about Instagram and then I make a TikTok with this outfit and post that video on YouTube. I make a tutorial video. I was thinking about showing you all my new song that I want to drop. I think the song that I composed since back in spring 2025. It was about like sparkling like in the dark, and my song is about like using magic in the darkness. So I don't have a song title about that for now, but I would like for you guys to choose like just a song title that you want me to name this song, the masterpiece I have worked on since spring 2025. I don't have that song title, but I would like for you guys to decide which song title I should name it. I'll give you guys two options to decide which of the song titles I would like to name it, and Talk Opus gets to choose a song title, especially the release date. Alright, so I will post that, so stay tuned. That's gonna be on my main YouTube channel, so go check out my main YouTube channel. It's Nicole Asensio Official, where I post my vlogs and my music. Alright, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new content, and I'll post a sneak peek of my new song. So I'll give you guys the two options of which song titles I would like to name it. So keep that in mind. Top comments gets to pick the song title. By the way, I gotta hurry up so that way I could just be at the party on time before sunset, or especially going to the mall. Well, I'm gonna go to the mall first to do some shopping. Way too early, so I gotta leave before like 4 p.m. so I could just do some shopping, do a little bit of shopping, and then after we could just head to the party. By the way, the makeup is done, so I gotta fix my hair because my hair is a little messy, especially my bangs too. So I'll be right back and we'll close out the video. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. So wish me luck in my Saturday night out, and thanks for watching. So if you want to keep watching my videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so I will be posting more videos. You guys don't miss any new content I'll be posting. That's a good one with my videos. Right? Love you all, my chickies.